In today's rapidly changing world, the way we make money is evolving faster than ever before. Traditional jobs are no longer the only route to financial freedom. Now, with the rise of artificial intelligence, new opportunities are emerging for individuals to earn money in ways that were once unimaginable. But here's the catch. The AI economy isn't just for tech experts, it's for everyone. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or working professional, the AI economy could be the key to unlocking your next big side hustle. In this video, we'll explore how you can start earning today in this cutting-edge landscape. For decades, side hustles have been a popular way to earn extra income. Whether it was driving for a ride-sharing service, freelancing as a graphic designer, or selling handmade crafts online, side hustles have been a staple of the gig economy. But now, we're entering a new era. The traditional side hustle is evolving into something bigger, something faster, and something powered by artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence has transformed the way businesses operate, and it's providing opportunities for individuals to monetize their skills, passions, and even their free time. The question is, are you ready to take advantage of this new frontier? AI-powered tools and platforms are no longer reserved for big companies with large budgets. They are accessible to anyone, and you don't need a PhD in machine learning to start leveraging them. In fact, AI can make many tasks easier, faster, and more efficient, allowing you to earn more with less effort. Understanding the AI economy. Before diving into the specific ways you can earn in the AI economy, it's important to understand what it is and why it's so important. The AI economy refers to the vast network of industries, platforms, and services that are driven by artificial intelligence. This includes everything from AI-powered software tools to platforms that allow freelancers and creators to automate and streamline their work. One of the most exciting aspects of the AI economy is how it levels the playing field. It allows people from all walks of life to participate, regardless of their technical background. By utilizing AI tools, you can perform tasks that once required specialized knowledge without needing to be an expert. This opens up countless opportunities for individuals to earn money and grow their careers. The rise of AI-driven side hustles. The future of work is changing, and AI is playing a central role in that transformation. Let's take a look at some of the most popular AI-driven side hustles that are gaining traction today. Freelance writing with AI assistance. One of the easiest ways to get started with a side hustle in the AI economy is by leveraging AI tools to enhance your freelance writing career. Writing has always been a popular side hustle, but AI is taking it to the next level. There are now AI-powered writing assistants that can help you generate content quickly, improve your writing style, and even optimize articles for SEO. If you're someone who already enjoys writing, AI tools like Jasper, WriteSonic, and Copy.ai can help you produce content faster and more efficiently. These tools use advanced algorithms to generate high-quality content based on a few prompts. As a result, you can increase your output and take on more projects, leading to higher earnings. Freelance. Writing is a great entry point for those looking to break into the AI economy, and the best part is that you don't need any advanced technical knowledge to get started. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn how to use AI tools to your advantage. AI-powered virtual assistants. Another rapidly growing side hustle in the AI economy is becoming a virtual assistant with the help of AI tools. Virtual assistants are in high demand as businesses of all sizes look to outsource administrative tasks to focus on their core operations. AI-powered virtual assistants can handle a wide range of tasks, from managing emails and scheduling appointments to customer service and data entry. With the rise of AI chatbots and productivity tools, virtual assistants can now perform many tasks faster and more efficiently. Platforms like Zapier, Trello, and Asana, when combined with AI, can automate many time-consuming tasks, allowing you to take on more clients and expand your virtual assistant business. What's great about this side hustle is that you don't need to be an expert in AI to get started. Many AI-powered tools are user-friendly and designed for non-technical individuals. With a little training, you can start offering virtual assistant services to businesses and entrepreneurs looking to streamline their operations. AI-based content creation. Content creation is booming, and AI is helping creators work smarter, not harder. Whether you're interested in creating video content, social media posts, or even podcasts, AI tools can assist in virtually every aspect of the creative process. AI can help you come up with content ideas, optimize your posts for engagement, and even edit videos or generate subtitles. For example, platforms like Descript and Adobe Sensei use AI to help you create professional quality video and audio content in a fraction of the time it would normally take. This allows creators to produce more content and reach a larger audience, increasing their potential for monetization. If you're passionate about creating content and want to explore a side hustle that taps into the AI economy, becoming an AI-assisted content creator is a smart move. Not only can you save time, but you can also scale your content creation efforts and reach more people. AI-powered e-commerce. The rise of e-commerce has opened up a new world of side hustle opportunities. Whether you're dropshipping products, selling handmade goods, or building your own online store, AI can help you streamline your e-commerce business and increase your profits. AI-powered tools can help with everything from product recommendations and inventory management to marketing and customer support. Platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce use AI to automate many aspects of running an online store, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Additionally, AI-driven advertising tools can help you target the right audience with personalized ads, improving the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on scaling your e-commerce business and increasing your earnings. AI-based tutoring and online teaching. As the demand for online learning continues to grow, AI-powered tutoring and teaching platforms are becoming a popular side hustle. Whether you're teaching a foreign language, tutoring students in math or science, or offering professional development courses, AI can help you deliver a personalized learning experience. Platforms like Skillshare, Teachable, and VIPKid use AI to match students with the right instructors and optimize learning outcomes. As a tutor or teacher, you can use AI tools to track student progress, personalize lessons, and provide real-time feedback. If you have a passion for teaching or a specific skill set, AI-powered tutoring can be a rewarding side hustle that allows you to make a difference in students' lives while earning money on the side. The rise of AI is opening up a world of opportunities for side hustlers. Whether you're looking to become a freelance writer, virtual assistant, content creator, e-commerce entrepreneur, tutor, or data analyst, AI tools are making it easier than ever to earn money in the digital age. The AI economy is here, and it's not going away anytime soon. It's time to embrace this new way of earning and take control of your financial future. With the right tools, the right mindset, and the right approach, you can build a successful side hustle that complements your current lifestyle or even becomes your full-time income. If you're ready to dive into the AI economy and start earning today, like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insights on how to succeed in the world of AI and finance, and share this video with others who could benefit from it. Let's take advantage of the AI revolution together.